Oh, now I want to eat this. Here, wait, honey, stand back so I can get her picture. Is it good, Rach?
She's only eating the bottom.
Is that good, Rach?
Oh.
What's that noise? Oh, jeez, that scared me. Is it good? I guess she likes the cake. Wait, honey, should we cut it in half or something for her?
You let her figure it out. She's still smart.
Okay.
No, but I'm going to cut this cake.
All right. She's all dainty with it. Is that yummy? Oh, she's going now.
Oh, yummy, guys.
She's got it. I wanted her to like take a big handful of it.
She will.
Maybe she needs to be shown or something.
She's got it.
I just want to touch the cake, okay?
Touching the cake, you know?
No, I
Touch what she's done. I know that in your birthday we'll let you touch me.
I'll get to touch my cake. I think you can charge it in mine over there. Did you see that? Did you get it? I know, that's what everybody says. Because, I don't know. Do we have the same camera? Oh no, mine's a Kodak. Is yours pretty fast? Here, yeah, sit down so she can take pictures. She's. Oh my gosh. You can do whatever you want. You can have